Hello! Today I wanted to do a quick little unboxing. I only have 3 things to unbox, but I thought they were really cute, so I wanted to go ahead and open them up with you guys. So I got the Nickelodeon vinyl figure mystery minis. It says only at GameStop, so I got them at GameStop, and they were actually on clearance. They were on sale for like $3.50 each, so not bad. Good little deal, and they're very cute. So these are the ones that you could possibly get. I really hope that I get either Cat Dog or maybe Chucky or Eliza Thornberry. That would be really cool. I love buying little blind bags, but I never really buy them because when I do, I usually get at least one duplicate. That's always a bummer when that happens. So let's open the first one. He's from the Angry Beavers. I don't remember what his name was. I never really watched the show, but I think his name was Norbert or something. I really liked that one, but I don't remember his name, but he is very, very cute. I also can't tell who this is. And there's Norbert. I got them both. And let's see what the third one is. This one feels really small. Okay, so in this one I got Ren. He is so cute. My brother was a big fan of Ren and Stimpy, and I still have some of the VHS tapes, like, right next to me. I used to like watching it too, and my parents hated when we watched Ren and Stimpy because it was gross and stupid, but we loved this show. So there's little Ren. He's so cute. And all of these do stand, which is pretty nice. So these are the 3 that I got in my box. Let me see the rarity. So Ren is 1 out of every 6. And both of these are 1 out of every 72. It looks like these both are actually the rarest out of anything you could get. So that's kind of interesting that I got both of them in the same box. I didn't get any of the exclusive ones. These are exclusive to the GameStop boxes. But I'm still pretty happy with the ones that I got. I think they're really cute. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.